shy, till your love came and changed my life. Every heartbeat found a melody, every broken piece found harmony. Now the stars shine a little more, ever since you walked through my door. Boy, you lifted all my heavy days, wrapped my soul inside your grace. You came along and made my heart a home. No more wandering, no more alone. Like an island song carried by the sea, your love keeps calling me. You came along and made my heart a home. Now forever's where we belong. Every road led me to your arms tonight. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. Moonlight glowing on your gentle face. Time slows down every time we sway. Your laughter floating through the night, like a fire burning soft and bright. No more storms inside my chest. With you beside me I can rest. Love like yours, so sweet and true, feels like paradise with you. Boy, you healed what I couldn't say, made the dark clouds fade away. You came along and made my heart a home. No more wandering, no more alone. Like an island song carried by the sea, your love keeps calling me. You came along and made my heart a home. Now forever's where we belong. Every road led me to your arms tonight. Everything feels